boys and girls, welcome back to Air Stewardess World. कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So the topic for today is the most important question asked during a cabin crew interview, which is, do you prefer working alone or as a team? To know your style of working, this question is being asked during a cabin crew interview. Some people give their best when they work alone. Also, some people create a disaster when working in a team. For example, I am better than you, I can work better than you, and so on. Through the interview, the interviewers wants to know whether you give your best when you work alone or you give your best when working in a team. Okay? And I think they have the right to know, and this is a valid question because the cabin crew never works alone. Always a cabin crew has to work in a team of 2, 3, 4, 10, 12, 15, and in some bigger aircraft such as Airbus A380 there are set of 20, 22, 25, 30 cabin crew. Okay, and that's the reason this question is asked, do you prefer working alone or in a team? So I'll be giving you an answer, but please try to not to copy this answer while you give the interview. Let your answer come naturally from inside. Okay, and so let me answer the question. First of all, you will say, thank you so much for this question, and I do understand cabin crew job profile needs a team to work together, needs a people working in a team, because we are never working alone in a cabin crew job. Okay, we are working with colleagues from different nationalities. Okay, we have some international colleagues as well, so it's always good to work in a team. As long as the work is completed, the target has been achieved, and the flight's motive has been completed, it's better to work in a team. From me, I'm a person who always loves to work in a team as well as loves to work alone depending on the situation. During my school and college days, I always contributed in a team, in a dance group, and we were successful. We achieved many prizes. Similarly, I'll be contributing in a team, okay, when I work as a cabin crew, and I'll always give my best to achieve the target, to complete the flight's motive, and to complete the work. So according to me, the answer is more than enough. Okay, and so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have talked about almost everything. I hope you have liked this video, and if you feel like there should be some change in this answer, then feel free to share it in the comment box. Okay, I'll prepare some another answers for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is in the description box. And those who have subscribed to this channel, thank you so much. Those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And that's all. Bye bye. Take care of you and your family. Love you all.